you get a result also, right? So today I'll just learn about the tables. We have like if I'll do the table part, so I have like this type of things in tables we see in books, right? uh, and we are multiplying these things with no, this is 1, here it is 1, because we need to do like this. So I'm just putting some formula. I'm doing in manual mode, and let's check it, that automation part. It's mean how you can do in automatically through the code. Okay, so I'm just doing this thing. No, I'm sorry. Okay, and we are just multiply these things into this thing, right? My laptop is a little slow, just because of my like too much applications is downloaded, and that's the thing. uh, right, this is right. No, I'm doing something wrong here also. So I need to this thing here, and this thing should be like this. So now we'll get it out of it, and like this. So I'm just changing this value. Let's this is third tables, right? So this type of things we learn in basically below below 3 and 3, most probably 3 standard or 2 standard, right? So we'll just do it in code, how we can make these things in a code, right? So first of all, I will take some value here, 1 to 10. So I need tables 1 to 10, so I'm just putting 1 to 10. Okay, and later on I'll use that reference also. Okay, let's start with sub procedure. So sub dot tables. Okay, my English is very poor, so I don't think that you guys will be mind, right? So I'm trying to convince you, but I'm very poor in English. Okay, so we'll take some dimension. So dimension is a dim I as a integer, okay, and dim r as a range. Why I'm taking it, I'll explain you later on. Okay, so I need to do one thing, that I need to take one value and put it here, and one two value put it here, like this and this way. So I make it tables design. So how I'll make a tables? Okay, so for each r in range a1 to a10. Okay, there is something wrong. Wrong is I'm mistakenly put it here, and next star. This is collection loop. This is the design of the collection loop. Okay, I'm not explaining much more about that collection loop and loops, all those things. I'm just doing the fun things, nothing else. Okay, and now after I taking the value, I have to place it here. Okay, right? So what I need to do, I need to paste it 10 times. So I need to take one more loop inside this collection loop, so it will be nested loop for I is equal to 1 to 10, right? And next I. Okay, this is for loop structure. Inside this I need to take range. What's the range? I have like d1 d1 dot active. I will just activate, and now I need to place in column wise, so I need to offset these things. So activate cell dot offset 0 comma 1 is equal to what? Is equal to r. Okay, now here if I'll put it 1, so it will paste here only, it will overwrite, so I need to paste I. Why I? Because I will go 1 to 10, so loop will be 10 times, so it will increment automatically, so I don't need to take care about this increment things, and I don't need to repeat it my code also, right? So now mm, this will become 1, and I'll put it I, because I value will be 1 to 10, so I have to this part, it means this part I need to take here. And now the multiplication part, I'm sorry, my English is very poor. mm, this is 2 and multiplications is I, right? Okay, now if I'll test these things, I'll test these things here only, because I can later on I can show it, show these things to you, that how it's look. So I'll put it here and I'll just run through the code. See, it's working, right? It's perfectly working, right? Now this is overwriting these things, like this is to become 2, because this 2 is become 2, right? So this is overwriting, and I have to do something so that that cannot be overwrite, right? So I need to fix this dimension, this things. So see, if I'll 3 columns, right? So essentially one column I will give you blank, so 1 multiply 4, so this is the position of this column, right? It will be awkward for this, but later on this part will be fixed, so let's do it. Okay, so r multiply 4. Okay, it's giving me error because I'm not putting and sign, because I have to concatenate with these things, right? So let's run these things. See, the result is come up, right? But here it is showing some wrong. Let's test one more times. mm, yeah, perfect. I have to go back. Yeah, this is perfect. Here it is showing from here, but I hope this might get produce some good result, right? So I'm just you can just make it formatted and all those things, like page layout, you can remove that grid lines, and you can border it, bold it, whatever you want. I can make it through the code only, but I'm just showing you that way you can handle this type of situation, nothing else. Okay, I believe this will give you the good idea about the for loop and each loop. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video.